By having accurate forecasts, we've been able to reduce disposals by more than 50%, saving more than $2 million a year. Our biggest ingredient is really tomatoes. We average 10 train cars full of tomatoes every day. We really start out working with our suppliers 12 to 18 months before we need those ingredients. Dollar savings for the disposals is a big deal, but even a bigger deal is really sustainability. We hate to throw good products away. Being a food producer, we have to provide traceability from where that ingredient came in from the field, to when it came into our plant, to what jar we put it in. We've been in business over 40 years. We've never had a product recall or any safety concerns with our food products. At LiDestri, innovation is very important. In fact, our tagline is where tradition meets innovation. We're the first to use something called the living jar, which is a plastic that is BPA free and 100% recyclable, which really reduces carbon footprint through its lighter shipping weight, making a more sustainable product. We also have automated racking systems for our warehouse, automation built into our production facility. We also have been innovative with a process called high pressure processing. Using pressure, we're able to sterilize the food in a way that we don't have to use heat, which will reduce the flavor profile for various foods. Majority of our production is for other people's brands, so there's a trust that we have to build with that customer. They are giving us their livelihood, so we really look to collaborate and innovate with our customers. We're really an innovative company, and we always are looking for new and innovative ways to process food.